I haven't seen it. Sorry, can't help you, Billy. I didn't see it either. It's gotta be around here somewhere. Hey, Billy, I'm sorry. I needed to use your iPad for work, and I accidentally deleted your Minecraft world. Oh, no, this isn't good. Remember what happened last time his Minecraft world got deleted? Yeah, of course I remember what happened. I still got the scar. Everybody get down. He's about to blow. I can't believe you deleted my Minecraft world. It took me so long to make that. Ouch, good throw, sweetie. I'm sorry. It was an accident. Oh, man, this is getting bad. Oh, it took me 6 months to build that Minecraft world. Where's he getting all these toys from? Oh. I worked so hard on that Minecraft world. Well, never mind. I didn't delete it. I just closed out of it. You still got your Minecraft world. Wait, what? You didn't delete it? Let me see. You're right, you didn't delete it! Sorry, everybody. I'm gonna go play Minecraft now. He's not even gonna get in trouble for that?
Hey guys, guess what? You're gonna be so jealous. I got 1,000,000 Robux on my Roblox!
Billy, how did you get 1,000,000 Robux? Mom has a magical phone! You can just buy them and get them for free! Billy, you're not getting them for free. Mom's phone is just hooked up to her card. You still gotta pay for them. Oh, really? Oh, well, I'm just playing YouTube if I get in trouble. Boys, why did I just get a call from the bank that someone spent $10,000 on Roblox?
Who was it? It was them two, Mom. I was sitting here watching Pokemon all day. I promise. Mom, it wasn't us. Billy just came in here talking about how he bought 1,000,000 Robux. Mom, you gotta believe us. We don't even play that game.
Well, because this is so serious, I'm not taking any chances, and I bought a lie detector test. Oh, Cocomelon, how am I going to get out of this one? You're up first, Tommy. Did you buy Robux on my phone? No. See, I'm telling the truth, Mom. Okay, you're free to go. Now it's your turn. Did you buy Robux on my phone? No, it wasn't me, Mom.
I told you it wasn't me. But if it wasn't you two, who could it be?
Billy, you're up next.
Did my sweet little baby buy Robux on my phone? No.
Billy, I can't believe it.
You're grounded. Get to your room and no more iPad for the rest of your life.
I can't believe Billy finally got grounded.
It's like an early Christmas
Present.
Hey, what are you two doing? Mom said you have to play with me. We're building a spaceship, Billy. What's it look like we're doing? We're jumping on the trampoline. Yo, I got an idea. Let him on. All right, fine, Billy. You can get on and jump on the trampoline with us. Yes, just don't bounce high. I'm really scared. I've never been on a trampoline before. Don't worry, Billy. We won't. So we're going to play this game called Double Bounce. Double Bounce? That sounds awesome. How do we play? All you got to do is stand in the middle of the trampoline and jump, and then me and Tommy will do the rest. Yeah, Billy, just stand in the middle and jump. I knew you had to have a good idea. Okay, I'm jumping. Now what? Now the fun begins. Me and Tommy are going to double bounce you. On 3, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Get ready, Billy. I'm ready. No way, Billy went over the tree. Dude, we sent Billy to outer space. Ouch, Mommy! I didn't like that game. Well, I guess we're getting grounded. There's no point of both of us getting in trouble. You want to play rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who takes the blame? Yeah, that sounds fair. You ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.